Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to insert or delete page numbers in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open my document and as we can see there are no page numbers at the moment. To insert my page numbers I go to Insert, Page Elements, Page Numbers and find some options here. I can decide whether I want my page numbers at the top, in the header or the footer. I also can decide if the counting should start on page 1 or page 2. We can also choose more options, but that's nearly the same as the buttons. Additionally, you can start here with a different number or on which section these options should be applied to. For now, these settings are okay, so I click on Apply, and here are my page numbers as we can see on every side. Unfortunately, I don't find any settings under Insert and Page Elements to disable my page numbers. For this, we just stay in the document, make a double click on our page numbers and just delete them here. If I now leave the header sections, we see that my page number is gone here and also on every other page. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.